Hello guys, so today I'm here to unbox this very interesting planner by Alicia. It's from Amazon and it retails for $18.99, and I'm just gonna take you through the whole planner and what else do you get. So this is a pocket size book kind of a thing which you can carry around in your bag, and it has like the month calendar and like quotes and everyday notes, so that every day of the month you can write whatever is your what to do list and everything, even like if you want to mark your important day. So this is like a small book which you can carry in your handbag rather than carrying the entire planner. So this is comes very handy. And also, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And this is what the whole book looks like with an overview. It is just the breakdown of the months, and you can just write your notes in there. So yeah, this one's a very nice thought. You need not buy a different diary or separately something, everything is in here which you need on a daily basis, and I think that is very good. So this is how the entire book looks like. So this is like a cute note also about 2020, how it didn't go as we all planned, how it was all sudden, but like also motivating, like to look forward to the next year, that is 2021, and how that year will be ours. So this is a really cute note. And then there's just this plain film, and then here comes the main ultimate planner by Alicia of 2021. It has 2021 the ultimate planner written all over it, and it has like a cute girl in lost in her thoughts and writing the planner with all this gold detailing. So it has gold spiral binding, and it's a hardcover, and I think there are approx 150 pages in the entire planner. So let's start and see what does it have. So the first page has a quote written on it, and also like this diary belongs to XYZ. And then there's one more lovely quote written, and then your personal information if you want to fill in that, like where are you from, what is it. And then the next is the calendar of 2021 as well as 2022, so you can plan your entire year around it. Then there is me and my big ideas, where you can just jot down what you want in the 2021. And then there are a lot of sheets which are stickers. So these stickers are very helpful when you want to just brighten up the diary or brighten up your page, and just to be motivated to write down the planner. So these are very good. And there are a lot of quotes also, like well done, important things to do. There is bookmarks, and then there's this fancy laces around it. So you can actually do a lot with these stickers. There's excellent, great job. So this all keeps you in check and motivated to write down in the planner whatever you're feeling or what you want to do in the planner. So yeah, to-do list, there are a lot of stickers which you can write. Then there's this page about letter for you from you, so there's little motivation there. And then dear future me, you have to write down your goals and what you feel and what you expect from 2021. You can stick pictures, and then there is a lot of things to do. And then there's budget planning also, which you can do for the entire week or for an entire month, and also like what things you want to sort out. Then goals, then steps to achieve goals, like whatever goals you have set up, how are you going to achieve those, all that in details. And then the actual planner starts month by month. So the first thing is birthdays, this month's goals and important events. And then there's this habit tracker, and then there is a period tracker. This is very helpful and in depth, so that you can keep everything in check. And then there's this monthly mode tracker, and then a shopping list, things you want to write down. Everything is so in depth. And then there's like day wise distinction between the days, where you can write in depth what are your plans for this day and what things you need to be done in this particular day. So it's a very in-depth planner. So if you like love organizing and love writing and love to jot down a lot of things, then this is the perfect planner for you. So that's how the whole planner goes. And then Feb, March, I will just fasten up the process from Feb till December, because it's literally the same thing repeating all over again from January till December. This is the whole pattern, same pattern you will see, where you just have to write your habits, mood tracker, your everyday to-do list, your important birthdays or anything. So it's really in depth. And yeah, that's how it goes. The best thing about this planner, which I thought, was these dividers which they have given for the month. So it's so convenient that you can jump into any months whenever you want to without any hassle of finding the page. And I think that's a lot of convenience that this planner has. And also it's very in depth, so it really pushes you to think about goals every month and that how it ends. And then in the last we have some few pages which are like highlights of the year, books I have read, movies I have watched, so you can jot down all those so that by the end of the year what all content have you consumed, what all have you liked, what all have you disliked. And then there are some extra pages for you to write down notes and extra things if you like if you make videos and any YouTube video ideas or songs, dancing videos, if you make them, ideas such as that. So this was the planner, and I hope you liked it, and I hope you are ready to set into 2021.